Good morning, my all dear class 11th, 12th B students. As in the video of accounts, we will discuss the importance of State Bank of India. The importance of State Bank of India. In the previous videos of this chapter, we have discussed the establishment of State Bank of India, functions of State Bank of India, and today we will discuss importance of State Bank of India. So, what are the major importance of State Bank of India? Means what benefits our country and our Reserve Bank or the society got from State Bank of India. First, the biggest commercial bank of the country. As in the previous videos, I have discussed that the State Bank of India is the biggest commercial bank in our country. So the State Bank of India is the only Indian bank which has attained 98 places out of the 100 biggest banks of the world. Means SBI has the 98th place in the 100 biggest bank in the world. SBI has 98th place, and it is the only Bank of India who has any type of place in top 100 banks. Then expansion of domestic network. The number of the branches of the State Bank of India was 466 in July 1985. In July 1985, the total number of branches were 466, which had increased to 13,849 along with its new subordinate banks on June 2006. In June 2006, there were 13,849 branches. Okay. And at present, there will be many more branches of it. The bank deposit the advance increased to rupees 296.123 crore and 137,756 crore respectively. In the same way, the profit of the bank were 0.68 crore in July 1985, and which has increased to 3,105 crore in March 2013, and at present it will be much more. Kisan Credit Card and Kisan Gold Card. The State Bank of India has issued 19.6 lakh Kisan Credit Cards of the cost of 4,222 crore and Kisan Gold Card of cost rupees 28,701 crore. So that it is helping our agriculture sector and our farmers very much, and due to State Bank of India, our farmers and our agriculture sector is being developed. Next, housing loan. The housing loan given by the State Bank of India had reached to rupees 12,934 crore till 2013 till 2003, and now you can think that the amount will be much more. Next, representative of the Reserve Bank. As I have already discussed that State Bank of India is the representative of RBI, and it does many works as the agent of RBI. The works was being discussed in the previous videos. Next, banking facilities in rural areas. Before the SBI, there were Imperial Bank, and Imperial Bank was helping the Britishers, not Indians. And moreover, Imperial Bank was working in the urban areas, not in rural areas. But SBI has helped to develop rural areas as well as urban areas. Network in foreign countries. SBI has a huge network in foreign countries. The State Bank of India has a network of 18 branches in foreign countries, 48 branches in foreign countries, in 28 countries. Means the State Bank of India is in 28 other countries. Okay. The State Bank of India has banking network in foreign countries. The State Bank of India has recently started first Overseas Banking Unit (OBU), ATM network of State Bank Group. The network of more than 1 lakh, 1800 ATMs of SBI has been completed in 460 cities of the country in the first phase. There is a plan to make it was some old data. At present, the number of ATMs will be more than 1 lakh. And single window system, SBI has given us the system of the benefit of single window system. In single window system, its computerized branches, all types of facilities to the customer are in a single window. Means in a single window we can deposit the amount, we can withdraw the amount, we can ask for loans, everything. So these were the major benefits of the State Bank of India, or you can also say that major importance of the State Bank of India in the further. And it was the last video of this chapter. Now you have to learn the exercises. And if you still have any doubts or query, you can ask. Our school administration is always there to help you out in all your need. So it's my request to all the students to keep learning and to start their board preparations. And if you have any type of query, you can ask. Till then, bye bye, students.